Good morning, students. I have already done the reported speech rules with you.
Good morning, ma'am.
There is a passage. This is how it will come in the exams. So reported speech will come in this manner. I want you all to see this. It's on the screen. And please do this so that I can discuss the answers with you. We'll get to know where we are going wrong in case we are going. This is the first one. Ankita says, can you help me? Swati says, sure. What is it? See, this is an interrogative sentence. Be careful. Ankita says, I need someone to take care of. Thank you so much. Can you take care of my cat as well? Swati, no, I don't like cats. So what is Ankita saying? No problem. You take care of the baby. I'll find someone else for the cat. So this entire thing, you have some lines given. Please convert this conversation and convert it into reported speech. We have already done the rules for reported speech. Please start. Those who finish, raise your hands so that we'll start discussing the answers after that. Do very, very carefully. We have done the rules of interrogative sentences. We know what can changes into. So all these things, please keep in mind when you're doing this conversion. Those who finish, raise your hands. You can write it in rough, only your answers. I'll start asking you one by one. Don't feel I'll discuss generally. I'll take your name and ask all the participants. Those who finished the first one, please raise your hands. Okay, Nishant Rana has raised hands. Two participants are done. Very good. Too good. Let me see who else. Only two students as of now. Three now. Very good. Three students have done. Hurry up quickly. Others also. Don't think I'll ask only those who are raising their hands. So few of you still done. Only three students, Nishkarsh, Yashi, and Snehal. Okay, now Shreya has come in. Very good. Last 1 minute. I want more hands to be raised. Simply is also done. Very good. Last 1 minute, children. Okay, let's start. Let's have the answers one by one. Nishkarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, give me the first answer.
Ma'am, Ankita asked Swati, can she help her?
Ankita asked Swati, speak again.
Can she help her?
No, there is something wrong. Yashi.
Ankita asked Swati if she could help her.
Excellent. See, it's an you have to either use if or use whether. You remember? We have to do this. So she has used if also, and can is changed to could. That day we had revised. Nishkarsh, speak again now. What should be the answer?
Ma'am, Ankita asked Swati if could she help her?
Yes, if she could help her. Can should be changed into could.
Could.
Snehal, next one.
Read and asked what it was.
Very
What
good.
that was.
Okay, not that.
That
Because
what
that
it was.
what it was is correct because that will come when there is this in the sentence. Excellent. Your first part was correct. What that was. Very good, Snehal. Shreya,
Okay, ma'am.
next. Shreya, next.
Okay, ma'am.
Too good. Shreya.
Ankita told her that she needs someone to take care of her baby for 2 hours.
There is only one very small mistake that you are doing. You will realize yourself. Speak again, you will realize.
Ankita told her that she needs someone to take care of her baby for of 2 hours.
Okay. Simply, can you tell me what is going wrong?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes. Tell.
Ankita told her that she needed someone to take care of the baby for 2 hours.
Yes. I hope, Shreya, you got your mistake. Only one small mistake you were doing. You were saying need. It should be needed. What should be there, beta? It should be needed. It is not
Needed.
need. That is the only problem which was coming. Otherwise, it was perfectly fine. Very good. Okay, let me admit these students today. Next one, Shruti. Simply is given the answer. Simply, you got your turn.
No.
Simply, you speak first.
Swati replied that no.
Yes,
Swati
try.
replied that she could do that.
Anybody else would like to do the same sentence? Though she is right, but the first part, you are not including that no problem wala thing is not being included.
Ma'am, may
So,
I?
who would like to try?
She replied that she could do that.
She replied that beta first wale part को include करिए, the one which I'm saying no problem wala, if you can include
Ma'am,
that.
may I?
Please,
May I
please.
tell?
One
May,
by one, everybody can speak.
ma'am,
Answer?
she replied that no problem, she could do that.
Okay. Anybody else? Though it is correct, there's nothing wrong in this.
Ma'am, may I? Swati replied that she had no problem, she could do that.
Ha, beta. Had or was. There was no problem or she had no problem. This also has to go in past tense. So it was not, there was no problem. She could do that. Can will become could. Very good. Let's have the next one now. Anmol,
Yes, ma'am.
give the answer.
Ankita thanked her and asked that could you take care of my cat as well?
Very small mistake you're doing. Speak slowly, you will realize yourself. One very small mistake. Speak again. Okay, Nishkarsh, you've raised your hand. Try. Arish,
Ma'am, may I tell?
yes, please. Hurry up. Tell.
Ankita thanked her and asked if she could take care of her cats as well.
Excellent. Ankita thanked her and asked her. See, there's a question mark. So asked her if she could take care of her cat as well. The only mistake the child was doing was he was saying my. It should be her. Very good. Let's move on to what Swati is saying next. Let's have Prachi. Prachi, good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer. What is Swati saying now? Hurry up, beta. Swati is saying, no, I don't like cats. How will you say this in reported speech? Try, right or wrong, whatever.
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine. Just a second.
Yes.
Ankita then told her.
Ranjil Agarwal and Samira. You people also be ready with the next sentence. Next sentence you will tell me. Pranjal, good morning.
Ankita
Pranjal,
then
good morning.
told her.
Yes, ma'am. Ankita then told her
Hey, hold on. Hold on. First
that
let Prachi answer.
she
Hold on. Just 1 minute, huh, Pranjal? First let Prachi tell the
could
first line.
find someone else for the cat.
Ma'am, can I try now?
Ah,
And said that she did not like cats. Ankita then told her, no problem. Uh, uh, just a second. Could you take care of the baby?
where is can? Why are we using could? आराम से करो बेटा आराम से. Don't hurry. If you'll hurry, you'll do mistakes.
It should be could. You ki instead of you.
But could to comes from can, na? There is no can over here. Anyways, I gave you the first sentence, Swati, that you've given me correct. Swati said, what did Swati do? Swati refused because she's saying no. So we'll say Swati refused and said she did not like cats. Now, what is Ankita saying? We are going to ask this from other students. Shivam, good morning. Shivam, good morning. Where is he? Sudhir, good morning. I'll remove them from the meeting. What is the point of having such dummy cats? Shivam, are you there? If you're not there, then I'll remove you. Sudhir is not answering. Sudhir? Samira, you answer this. Yes, beta. Samira, you try the last one. Okay, raise your hand, those who can answer. Raise your hands, those who can answer the last one. Ankita then told her that it was not a problem. Okay, Arish. Yes, Arish.
Ma'am, Ankita told her that she doesn't have any problem. She will find someone else.
Ankita told her that it was not a problem.
She would
She
find
should take
someone else.
yes, she should take care of the baby, and she will become would. Very good. She would
Find
for
someone else for the cat.
Someone.
excellent children. Will become would. Could beta. It is the first session for you people, and you're doing so nicely. Till now, you have not done any exercises. Only explanation was done, and I'm very happy. First session, first exercise, you people have done very well. Okay, let's move on to the second one now. Dev says we are going to Mahabaleshwar tomorrow. Raj says, wow. It's an exclamatory sentence. Wow, Mahabaleshwar is a wonderful place. I went there last year. So they were asking, it's an interrogative sentence. Second was an exclamatory. Third is an interrogative. Please see this. You have the clues given over here. Your time starts now. Do it and raise your hands.
They
Be very careful. Second is an exclamatory sentence. Third is an interrogative sentence. So do it nicely. This time very quickly. Two of you have raised your hand. Very good. I'm impressed. Others also, please do it quickly. Very good, children. Hurry up, children, hurry up. Then we'll start discussing. Excellent. 5 students have already raised their hands. I think we should start discussing now. Please start. We'll start from Arish. The first name coming. Arish, give me the answer. Same hands I had last
Yes,
time
sir.
also.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, A.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Then
ma'am, they've told Raj they are going to Mahabaleshwar the next day.
there is something wrong. Speak slowly. You will find your mistake yourself. Tell me. Tell me.
They've told Raj that they are going to Mahabaleshwar next day.
Beta, R nahi. R will become what?
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes. Yes, please. Speak out, Shruti.
Ma'am, Dave told Raj that we will go to Mahabaleshwar tomorrow.
We will go to. No. Anybody
Ma'am, may I?
else?
Ma'am, may I?
Very good, Shruti. But hold on. Huh? Let me see others also. Yes, others, tell me.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, please go ahead. Yes,
They
Prati.
told Raj that they are going to Mahabaleshwar day after tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes what when we change reported speech?
Next day.
The next day.
And may I try?
Tomorrow. Yes, please try. Speak out.
They've told Raj that they were going to Mahabaleshwar the next day.
Yes, they were going to Mahabaleshwar the next day. Very good. R changes to were. and tomorrow changes to next day. Very good, children. Who will give me the second one? Yes, who's Nushriya? Shreya and Snehal. Give your answers for the second sentence. Start. Shreya, Snehal, give me the answers.
Raj exclaimed that Mahabaleshwar was a wonderful place. He went there the previous year.
Something very small mistake is happening.
Ma'am,
Guess out
may I?
what? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Anybody, one by one, one by one. Raj explain.
Mahabaleshwar was a wonderful place, and he went there last year.
Again, it is wrong. The same mistake in this sentence.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
try?
Yes, Sudha, one by one, please. Try one by one. All of you can give your answers one by one. Yes. Speak out.
Raj
so many of
exclaimed.
you. Yes, she carry on.
Raj exclaimed that Mahabaleshwar is a wonderful place. He went there the previous year.
Excellent. She did not change is to was. What was the mistake the other students were saying? They were saying Mahabaleshwar was a wonderful place. Beta, it's a universal truth. It was a beautiful place. It is still a wonderful place. So we will not change the tense in this. You have to be very careful in reported speech. Very good. Is a wonderful place. And they had gone there the previous year. Last year becomes previous year. And Mahabaleshwar is will remain is. It will not change to was. Yes, children, the next one very quickly. What is Dev saying?
May I tell?
Dev
Continue. No speaking.
Dev asked him if he would like to join them.
Ask them. Very good. Very good. So if you go slow, you are able to do it. They've asked them,
Yes.
would he like to join them? Very good. Next one. Who's going to give you the next one? What is Raj saying?
Raj replied that he could only if everyone agreed.
That is there. Very good. The next one now. What is Dev telling him?
Ma'am, I'm speaking.
Okay,
Dev
continue.
told him that he would check with them and call him the next day.
Excellent. Very, very good. Very good. Dave told him that he would check with them, and call him. See, all the three changes she has done. Will becomes would, you becomes him, and tomorrow becomes the next day. All three changes are done. Very good, children. The last sentence now. The last sentence.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, Raj thanked him and said he will look forward for his call.
He. Speak
He
again.
will look forward for his call.
छोटा सा गलती हो रहा है. Tell me what. Anybody, can you tell him what mistake is he doing?
Ma'am, he would.
Yes, he would look forward for his call, not will. Will become what? Would. Okay, I discussed earlier also. The only problem which was coming was that he was not changing will to would. Otherwise, very good, excellent. This is the last task for you people today. Children, if the meeting gets over, you can join on the same link. Annie, I want to order a big pineapple cake for my birthday. Confectioner, when is your birthday? Annie says it is tomorrow. Confectioner says you can collect it by noon. Please start. Your time starts now. Do the third one. Quickly do raise your hands.
Ma'am, done.
Whoever finishes, please raise your hand. Quickly, children, it is a very small passage. I don't think it needs so much of time. Raise your hands very fast.
Ma'am, done.
Hurry up, those who've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Pranjal Agarwal, have you done? You've raised your hand.
Yes,
Pranjal,
ma'am.
done. Very good. Give the answer.
Ma'am, Annie told a conductor that she want order a big pineapple cake for her birthday.
Only one mistake is coming. Can somebody tell him what is the mistake?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, Annie told the confectioner that she wanted to order a big pineapple cake for her birthday.
Excellent. Only one mistake Pranjal had done, that it should be wanted, and he was saying want. Okay, Pranjal? Only one small mistake. Yes. Next one. Who will give
Okay,
me the
ma'am.
answer? Very good. Who will give me the answer for the next one?
The
Speak to
confectioner
the judge.
asked
Hmm.
the confectioner asked when was her birthday.
Excellent. The confectioner asked because it's an interrogative sentence. So too good. Next children.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I-
Beta, anybody, please tell.
Ma'am, the confectioner told her that she can collect it by noon.
The confectioner, speak again.
Ma'am, the confectioner told her that she can collect it by noon.
Beta, first the third one. What is Annie answering when he's saying when is your birthday? That part. First tell the third sentence. Please speak out. Somebody give me the
Ma'am,
third
it is
one.
already given. Annie replied that
Annie replied, okay,
it was
it
the
was
following
already
day.
given. Okay, I did not see the answers. Speak the last one again.
The confectioner told her that she can collect it by noon.
There is something wrong. One word is wrong. Children, tell me what is wrong.
Ma'am, confectioner told her that
If she
she
could
The
collect it
confecter
by,
told her
Ma'am, it should
that
be could.
she could collect it by
Excellent. No, very good. So now you know what is the mistake your friend was doing. It should be could. Let's move on to the first sentence, the first passage. In the first passage, first sentence, you had changed can to what?
could.
could.
Very good. Your can changed into could. Next one. Let's do this. What else can we, what else changes have you done? In the last sentence, your will had changed to what?
Would.
Yes, will change to would. Similarly, in the fourth sentence, your can changed into
Could.
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 Very good.
Could.
Excellent. And let's move on to the next one. In the next one, in the first sentence, tomorrow changes into
The next day.
Next.
And the next day.
very good. The second is wow, there's an exclamatory mark. So, what is the word you will
Exclaim.
use?
Ma'am,
They
exclaim.
Claimed.
Very good. So
Exclaim.
good. And what about last year? What change we did in last year?
The previous year.
Ma'am, the previous.
Yes, very good. The third one is which kind of a sentence?
Interrogate.
Interrogative.
Very good. So it's going to become asked. And in the fifth one, I will check, will change into?
Would.
Would. Would.
would.
Very good.
We
And
would.
the last one again, last one. Okay, tomorrow is also there. Tomorrow changes to?
The next
Next.
day.
The next.
The next day.
Okay, you finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the major changes we did in the second passage are already done. Let's move on to the third passage now. What all changes did we do in this?